So, the plan for today. We will do a little hike. No, first we will go shopping for snacks. Then we'll do a little hike. And afterwards we might enjoy the nice weather and sit by the beach because there's a beach down in the town. And yeah, I think that's already pretty much it. We are in the supermarket getting some food. What will be there for lunch? I'm not sure. There's a lot of salad options. We are on our hike now. Yeah.
Das Wandern ist des Müllers Lust.
I'm tired. Sind wir bald da? My feet hurt, my booty hurts, my head hurts, and my teeth also hurt. I don't know why.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Geht das nicht lauter?
Aye, aye, Captain. Bälle, Blinde, Ananas, ganz viel mehr.
SpongeBob Schwammkopf.
Alter, weiß ich den Text leider nicht mehr.
SpongeBob Schwammkopf.
Ich hab Bock. Ich wollte nicht schwitzen.
We did it! Look at the mountain. This is the waterfall. These are two people sitting at a waterfall. Wait, let me show you the waterfall. We are irgendwo in the nirgendwo in Norway. Wow. There's cows here. Ah! Look at the cow. This is my favorite cow. Oh my god! We found an outdoor gym. Looks pretty cool. They even have suggestions what types of exercise you can do. Otherwise, I think we would be ready to try them, but today, no, because we're just tired. I think I'm a little bit hungry. Are you hungry? A little bit. I'm very kaputt after this hike. It was a good hike, but we can go to the beach. We've been chilling at the beach for a little bit and I have just taken a nap. It feels like I've teleported to another space-time dimension. One of those naps. It's actually really sweet here and also still very bright. It's now I think 6:30. We're just enjoying the lovely weather today because tomorrow it's rainy again, so not so great. Toby is taking a swim. I'm not. It's too cold. No, I'm not doing that. Okay, so it is now, I think, almost 12 o'clock, and we have packed our things up and are ready to leave this Airbnb behind us. We have stayed in Sandane, I don't know how to say it. And we are going to take the car to travel some scenic routes today, and then we will sleep in the car. Hopefully this time it will work out, because we really want to sleep in the car for once. Because we brought our sleeping bags and sleeping mattress, and Toby specifically bought a mattress so we could sleep in the car. So it would be kind of a little bit of waste if we didn't. So, oh, and I want to say goodbye to the kitty cats because they're so cute. Hey, cutie. Oh my god, you're so cute. And you too. Oh. Cheers. Oh my god, just look at them. They're all so cute, so small.
When night has become the day, they're sending you far away, so far away. When everything starts to fade, you don't have to be afraid. No, you don't have to be afraid. Take my hand and reload. This is free love. That's what we are made of. Yes, we are. Reload. This is real love. That's what we are made of. Yes, we are.
We are on safari to Hella, which is a hella good place. There's space. I can run around now. There is somebody coming. How's the curry?
hot.
They have found us quite late already. I think it's already like 5 p.m. So I'm not sure like what we're doing now. I think we're just gonna keep driving and then find a nice spot to sleep.
Take my hand and that's what we are made of. When you wanna get off the ground, but gravity pulls you down. Gravity pulls you down. And when you feel out of place, you don't have to be afraid. No, you don't have to be afraid. Take my hand and reload. This is free love. That's what we are made of. Yes, we are. This is real love. That's what we are made of. Yes, we are.
Helt berömligt.
This is how Toby's doing so far. I was faster. See, I would say that this spot makes for a great sunrise. But like the sun never really sets here. It's always bright. Right now, for example, I think it's 9:30. Toby, was ist für Zeit? Oh, actually, it's 10:15. So almost 10:30. And it's still quite bright outside, as you can see. So I don't think we will have a sunset or sunrise, but we have this, and it's also good. So this is our sleeping situation for the night in the car here next to a lake and a street, unfortunately, but I hope it will not be too crazy. Oh, and this is the sunset. Well, I just said I don't think the sun really sets here, and I don't think it does, but it looks very nice. It's weird though, didn't the sun set on the other side?
Yeah.
So why is it red here? I don't get how the world works.